Back in the wet tropics. We're on our way back to Cairns, about 30 kilometers away. We thought we'd stop at Barron Falls. Hey guys, I figured I'd show you where we're staying in Cairns when we're here. We're here for a few more days. Well, actually we're now into a couple days now. But we are in the Queenslander Hotel and Apartments. This is a studio apartment. Hello. So it's kind of an open floor plan. So we've got the bed up here, seating area over here, kind of a little dining area, kitchenette, and then really big bathroom, nice size. And then out on the balcony, what do we have? Do we have any cockatoos? Saw them yesterday evening. So we're a couple streets up from the Esplanade.
Yes.
And just down from the mall and everything, shopping and downtown. You know, we need to organize before we get on the plane.
I know we've really accumulated a lot.
Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff going on there that I've got to tighten up a bit. Because we're going to be going to New Zealand in 3 days. We fly back down to Sydney the day after tomorrow, and then off to New Zealand for 11 days.
So it looks like we got lucky. We got here on the Saturday. We can get some coconut juice. Oh my god, that looks dangerous. And it goes pretty deep in there. It goes all the way down in through. Nectarine. Ooh, sample the peach. Let's sample that. You can get some pawpaw. This is what the red pawpaw looks like. So take 2 for $5. God, these avocados are the cutest I've ever seen. Look at that. It's going to be all sticky because I've been sampling all the fruit here. Yeah, really interesting shapes on them.
Oh, and they make good nail polish colors too.
Matches your nails.
I was looking at these flowers. They have so much color. Look at that cobalt and purple. They look neat. Look at that.
I think Robert, like the Swati, has had some things like this.
6:30 a.m.
Beach volleyball, boxing.
Boxing sounds fun. I'd probably rather lay around the lagoon than
Yeah, that ocean water out there is, let's see, quite a contrast in the colors.
We're getting ready to go on the Skyrail.
On the Skyrail.
Our tickets, there they are.
I've been wanting to go on this for years.
Oh, it speeds up.
Oh, here we go. Wow.
Michael's doing a bush turkey dance over here with a horsefly.
I didn't bring my bug repellent.
Oh, shoot. So each little cabin, or I guess cable car, holds 6 people,
Yeah.
but you can have your own if it's not super busy.
Yeah, we're lucky to have our own each way.
Kuranda, small little village.
Just started crowing.
Oh my
That's.
god.
I think that's what's happened
A
here.
free silky rooster. Oh, can I get one? Cute little shops over here.
Shops. Yeah, very pleasant temperature in here too.
So we're in the village center bazaar.
Kuranda Bazaar. Yeah, that's where we were.
Ah, look how nice that is. This is a little railway station here. Last time we rode a train was in India. So we're just coming down to the river to check it out. They do river cruises down here.
You want to go the Riverwalk 760 or 700?
Look at, there's the culprit who's been kicking up all the leaves. All down the pathway, they're all kicked up. The local said the other day there was a croc hanging out on the rock, sunbaking. No one's there today.
This is what you don't want to have happen. It
We
just
just
stopped.
stopped.
Got too windy. We're
In
gonna
the middle
stop
of
it.
nowhere.
Oh.
It is really windy out. It was rocking back and forth a little there.